Sorry, that's why I'm going really slow. What is wrong with you?
Well, if you can see yourself, oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff wrong with you. From Kendra. Alright, hon. Yeah, blow that balloon and watch it pop.
It's a pretty big balloon. Oh, my lips are.
Make it pop.
But if I pop it, this is my only balloon I have.
Go suck a dick, you can get more. You're only like 13, 14. You're only 13.
I am 14! Get it right! I'm the same age as you, nut.
You're younger. Wee.
I'm a year younger than you.
Riri.
We're in the same grade, okay? Whatever. Don't fart in my face. That'd be a little obnoxious. Balloon. Fart. You'll never see anything like that again. Taylor's a nut. Oh my gosh, is there a helmet in here? I'll show you what I did with Jenna. The beast has awoken. I took my hair out. Just wait. Give me a minute. Stupid clothes. Get out of my way. I'm rocking this hairstyle. This is what I did. It's gonna hurt like a motherfucker. But here goes. It's like on my butt. Just cover that up. No one needs to see that. No pants are falling. Okay, here goes. Oh. I bit my lip. I bit my lip, dude. I bit my lip. Oh, am I bleeding? Am I bleeding?
Take that out. I'll do it one more time.
Do it again?
Yeah.
Why would I do it again? I'm in so much pain.
Why would you do it in the first place?
I feel like my head's 100 pounds heavier.
Get away from me.
The beast has awoken. I won't get over that. My lip hurts, dude.
You're bleeding, I think.
You think? You should know so. I'm gonna have a fat lip tomorrow. It's not like BAM! Okay, I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, hold on, wait.